Every day, all around the world, there is this magical thing called life. Mankind has evolved a lot since the beginning of it. We created our own little bubble in which problems of our current society are much different than what they used to be. One of the biggest changes of the past decade is our need to be on for everyone, at all times. But is it really something good? How far do we drift away from the fundamentals of life? Abraham Maslow describes what the most important human needs are in order to live healthy. They include fresh air, drinking water, eating well, doing exercise, and recharging our batteries by getting enough rest. While most of these needs are part of our daily routine, I discovered a growing number of young adults, including myself, experience problems with one of these fundamentals. Digging deeper into this problem, it came to my knowledge that many of us are not in balance when it comes to stress and stress relief. Just like technology, we need to charge whenever our battery is drained. The hustle and bustle of nowadays life made us forget to recharge correctly. We need more than just sleep. According to researchers, the problem is not that we work too much, it's that we don't rest enough. At this moment, it is very important to start awareness around this subject and come up with solutions to solve this problem. Some people relieve stress by doing light meditation, while others prefer a walk around the park. But what if you could do all these things without leaving your home, at any time when needed? Introducing Calmi, designed for you to use at home. It will help you remember when it's time to relax. Research showed that by correctly stimulating the senses, a person will experience a more relaxing state of mind. Calmi will do this using audio and light to create a calm environment for you to live in. In combination with a smartphone app, Calmi will make a connection between your digital and physical life. For instance, it will notify you when it's time to relax and prevent you from using your smartphone while doing an exercise. The mobile app is a platform where you can select your most favorite atmospheric spaces and practice sessions. The app will track your progress and analyzes whether you have had enough rest. Besides providing its user with audio-visual calmness, Calmi can also be used as a mood light. The product is designed to be plug-and-play and portable for you to use in every room. Using built-in Wi-Fi, it can be your central hub for creating and stimulating a balance between stress and relaxation. Learn how to calm down. Bring calmness into your home. Analyze your progress. And bring balance to your life. Calmi was carefully designed using standalone hardware and components to create the most optimal experience for its user. Its wireless charging and battery capabilities make it possible to use Calmi in every room and easily charge it when done using. It uses two simple buttons on top of the device for physical interaction, while more complex information will be shared between an interface in the app and the device. This first prototype of Calmi is now ready and available for testing and pitching purposes.